In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Affirm on Vrbo, making your vacation planning a breeze. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy cabin in the mountains or a chic apartment in the city, paying for your stay with Affirm can make it easier to manage your budget. Let's dive into the steps and see how you can seamlessly use this option on Vrbo. First, start by searching for your desired location on Vrbo. This might be your dream getaway spot, whether it's nestled by the beach or in the heart of a bustling city. Use the search bar to enter the area you're interested in. You might want to explore a variety of options based on your travel plans. Once you've set your location, it's time to refine your search to ensure that you're shown properties that support Affirm payments. Adding a filter for Affirm payments is a key step here. Look for the filter options, which are usually located on the side of the search results page. This will help you narrow down the listings to only those that offer the flexibility of paying with Affirm. Applying this filter will save you time and make your booking process smoother. Now, with the filtered results in front of you, browse through the available properties and find the one that meets your needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for something luxurious or cost-effective, take your time to review the pictures, descriptions, and amenities of each place. When you've found the perfect spot, go ahead and click on the listing to get more details. After reviewing the details and confirming that this is the place for you, click the Book Now button. This will take you to the booking page where you can start finalizing your stay. Here, you'll typically be asked to enter some details, such as your travel dates and the number of guests. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Now comes the important part: choosing your payment method. On the payment page, you'll see various options. Look for Affirm among them. Selecting Affirm as your payment option allows you to break down the total cost into manageable monthly payments. It's a great way to make your trip more affordable and avoid paying the full amount up front. And there you have it, a simple way to use Affirm on Vrbo. By following these steps, you can enjoy the flexibility of paying over time, allowing you to focus more on the excitement of your trip rather than worrying about the immediate financial impact. Remember, planning ahead and knowing your options can turn your travel dreams into reality without breaking the bank. So go ahead, start planning your next adventure with ease and confidence. We hope this guide helps make your booking experience on Vrbo as smooth as possible. Happy traveling!